Hello. Today we're gonna talk about Sweet Talk Sweets. The sweet. And let me pull this in. Okay, so the Sweet Talk Sweet is the bundle, the gingham embossing folder, sweet little boxes, iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, real red ribbon, and the Sweet Talk DSP. And it can be found on page 9 in the mini catalog. So I'm going to show you. This ribbon is very soft. Look at these iridescent. Don't they sparkle? And I keep mine in the embossing folder. It is the gingham let me go back. The gingham embossing folder, and I've used this on one of my cards. So I keep mine in the folder. I gotta get that out of there. And we're gonna use this red ribbon on a box. So the Sweet Conversations have happy to have you in my life. Happy Valentine's Day. You are cute. Hug me. BFF. Love you. Text me. And then there's all these that go with the heart shape, and that one does too. And then X and O's, and it's a photopolymer. Let me show you the, so you have one of each of the hearts. You have this vertical and this horizontal. You have, this is like up-down hearts, and you have a banner, and you have what is it called? So you have little bitty hearts, and you have that one too. And this is an envelope. And then we have the Sweet Conversation little boxes. And they fold up. And we're gonna make one of these boxes. So, and let me show you the paper. This is You Are Cute, text me, and you can punch these out with the dies. And these is, oh, I forgot to show you the other side. Te amo, je t'aime, ich lieben dich. So, and this looks like lollipops, and then it has dots on the other side, and again lollipops and candy, and just, and then we have hearts and stripes on the other side. Whoops, I forgot to. And then we have hearts. Oh, hearts. And stripes on the other side. And more hearts. And more hearts. So let's check out the colors that are in this. It says Blushing Bride, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Real Red, and So Saffron. So I'm going to show you a couple cards I made. And I did not put anything inside. You are cute, hug me, BFF, text me, and a couple of, and this is the textured gingham. Can you see that? Okay, so I did this one with the iridescent jewels. Nothing on the inside. And this one, I put 3 iridescent jewels. So you will have a 5 1/4 by 4 inside. And I used the stitch rectangles on that. I'm sorry, my frogginess is still there because of the juniper. Okay, so I'm going to put this, ooh, Let me see if I can get this straight. You need a better background. There you go. Okay. I have everything already prepped for the box. And I always do one in the center. Okay, so let's get to bending. And they come with the stickiness already on it. So you need to make sure that you're making the box correctly. Okay, and we're gonna put a little bit of glue on this. Let me hold it down for a little bit. Okay, so we're going to use a bow. And you don't want it too tight so that you can't slip it off. And then we're going to use dimensionals to put on the envelope and the heart. And there you have it. So we used everything in the suite. Let me bring that down. So we used everything in the suite. The iridescent jewels, the horizontal, and the BFF, and the stamps, and Happy Valentine's Day. And I used that one here too. So have a good afternoon. Let me show you. Have a good afternoon and have a good weekend.